Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP using USDT. It's quite easy. You must have a Kucoin account, and if you do not possess a Kucoin account, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and trading gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll from the overview, which houses all your assets and the accounts as well. Scroll from the overview to the funding or the trading, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, I've got some USDT here. All I need to do to buy XRP with my USDT is head back to the home option, click on the trade menu, which is at the bottom of the screen here. Now, where we have the icons, click on XRP USDT and simply in the search bar, search for XRP and select the USDT. Once you've selected USDT, you're met with the spot trading menu. Now, this menu houses where you can buy or sell your crypto immediately, and you can do this by clicking on the limit option and selecting market. By selecting market price, you get to buy your cryptocurrency at the current price of the market instantly. And this is done by selling your available USDT for XRP or selling your available XRP for some USDT. It depends on which icon you click on. So once you selected the buy, simply click on 50%, click on buy XRP. Enter your trading password. And once the order has been placed, you can simply select the order history, reload, and you would find that I just sold my USDT for some XRP. And you can confirm this by heading to the assets menu and doing a simple reload. Here we go, guys. So do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.